Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking at Algebra 1 Part B. This is Lesson 9. And here is a similar example that you'll see in the assignment. So basically what we have here is we have the product of some polynomials. And we have to find the product and simplify. So what we showed you in the lesson was how to kind of do some cross-cancellation to help you simplify the problem easier. So that's what we're going to do in this. We're going to factor what we can factor, cancel out what we can cancel, and then multiply what is left. So that's the process. So let's take a look at the numerator of the first term here. I need to factor this trinomial. And if you recall from previous lessons, to factor this trinomial, since it's just a trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1, we're going to look at this last term, and we're going to find factors of 21 that do this. So factors of 21 that add to be 10. So those factors would be 7 and 3. 7 times 3 is 21, 7 plus 3 is 10. So to build my factors, I'm going to build two binomials, each with an x, each with one of the factors we just named, so 3 and 7. And then we have to place the signs. The signs are based on these signs as well. Since this is a plus sign, the signs have to be the same. And then this is the sign that we use since it's the same. So both of these will be minus. Now you can check me on this, but those are correct factors. If you need more help with factoring, see the previous lessons. So now, let's look at the denominator. The denominator here, we look at this, and is there anything we can factor? Well, they both are divisible by 9. 9 and 27 are both divisible by 9, so we're going to factor that 9 out. And that's going to leave me x minus 3. And so now we have some factors that we can cancel out. And so any common term, and you know, we want to think about the domain as well. This is kind of easy to look at the domain. X's cannot be 3 right here, because if it's 3, then this will be 0. And x cannot be 7. So let's go ahead and take care of that. X cannot equal 3 or 7. And now let's cancel things that will cancel. So these are common terms, the numerator and denominator. So when you divide those, they'll equal 1. So those are gone. Let's look at these terms. These terms are going to cancel as well, because if you divide those terms, you'll get 1. We can also look at this. 9 and 9, one's in the numerator, one's in the denominator, so they will also cancel. So look at that. Almost everything canceled. So the only thing that's remaining is this x right here. So our final answer is x with a domain that says x cannot equal 3 or 7. So I hope this helps you with that problem in the lesson assignment. If you struggle with this as you're working, please set up an appointment for a help session or let me know through a teacher message.